Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 30th of October, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair euro to dollar dropped to the level of 1.1572, which was caused by the disappointment of the market in the results of the ECB meeting. The regulator promised to keep the interest rates low for a long time. Currently, the pair is likely to be corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 1.1750 and above to 1.1860. This is confirmed by the movement of the price beyond the lower line of Bollinger Bands and reaching the line of Fibonacci fan at 38.2%. Stochastic has entered the oversold area and also confirms the possibility of reversal. On the other hand, the fall may continue to 1.150 and 1.140, which is confirmed by the growth of MACD histogram in the negative zone. Fundamental events of the week include US and Eurozone industrial PMIs, October data from the US labor market, as well as statistics on the consumer price index in Eurozone. Generally, upward correction may begin if the level of 1.1640 is broken out. The pair pound to dollar had mixed dynamics last week and is now trading at 1.3140. The most prominent feature of the week will be the decision of the Bank of England on the interest rate. The market is not sure whether the regulator will attempt to increase it. Therefore, the traders are cautious. Currently, the key level is 1.320, located near the middle line of Bollinger Bands and the gathering of Fibonacci levels. In case it is broken out, the price may continue to grow to the levels of 1.3320 and 1.3430. The consolidation of the price below 1.3070 will open the way for reduction to 1.2970 and 1.290. Technical indicators show the continuation of the fall. MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone, and Stochastic is directed downwards. In general, one has to wait for breaking through the key levels of 1.320 or 1.3070. The pair dollar to yen last week traded around the level of 113.85, meeting Fibonacci correction of 23.6%, but failed to consolidate above it. Currently, the pair is trying to be corrected to the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 112.90, which is confirmed by indicators. MACD histogram is stabilized in the positive zone, and Stochastic has reversed downwards. The consolidation of the price above the level of 113.85 may lead to growth to 114.45 and 115.0. Fundamental events of the week include the data on the volume of industrial output in Japan and the decision of the Bank of Japan on the interest rate. Generally, the continuation of the fall to the level of 112.90 seems likely, but one cannot exclude growth if the level of 113.85 is broken out. The pair Australian dollar to US dollar last week dropped to the level of 0.7620 and may continue to fall to 0.7510. However, currently the beginning of upward correction to the levels of 0.7750 and 0.780 near the middle line of Bollinger Bands seems more likely. The possibility of growth is confirmed by Stochastic that is about to leave the oversold area. Fundamental events of the week include the data on industrial PMI and the volume of retail sales in Australia. Generally, growth may begin if the level of 0.770 is broken out, but the continuation of the fall also cannot be excluded. Last week, the quotes of gold tested the level of 1265.0 once again, but failed to consolidate below it. If they manage to do it this week, the fall may continue to 1248.60. Otherwise, after breaking out the level of 1277.0, growth may continue to 1296.0. Technical indicators don't give a clear signal. MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone, and Stochastic is directed horizontally and located near the oversold area. Generally, one should wait for the breakthrough of key levels at 1265.0 or 1277.0. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.